We're just gonna let things go. We're not gonna have emotional attachment to things. That's not healthy. All right, Kia? Let's go. Good job. Hey everyone, it's TheNotoriousKIA. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is pronounced Kia, not Kaya, because some of you girls do try it, but it's okay. And at the heart of my channel, it's all about sustainability. That's been my journey since I began it on YouTube. And you know, I'm really about that sustainable life. You know, thrift is life. So if you're about that life, hit the subscribe button, join the gang. I've been thrifting for years, and it comes a time when you kind of like want to elevate it, and you know, you might be making a little bit more coin or whatever. So you start looking for more luxury pieces, and that's where designer meets sustainability. And when you unlock that level, girl, what? Endless, okay? So that's pretty much the topic of today's video. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I buy and sell designer items online using an app called Vestyear Collective, who's actually partnering with me on today's video. Now, if you guys haven't heard of Vestyear Collective, they are the leading platform for pre-loved fashion. They have over 5,000 designers in vintage, streetwear, haute couture, jewelry, handbags, etc., at 70% off retail price. Now, you can't beat that. So yeah, what's also awesome about Vestyear is the fact that it's a community. It really thrives off the people or the buyers and the sellers. It's designed to be very interactive, sort of like, you know, a social network. And you can follow different profiles. You can see, you know, what are the girls giving, okay? Like, what's she giving? You can add things to your wish list. You can, of course, add things to your favorites. And another neat thing about it is you can also create price alerts to where you'll get an alert when an item drops below a certain price. And definitely stay tuned to the end of the video, because I'm definitely going to be dropping the price to only $30 for one of my items, so you guys don't want to miss that. All right, so here's the home feed, which is really curated for different events and things that's going on. Like, you know, spring is about to spring. We are sick of this weather, girl. And so you can just look at things that are, you know, popular and in season. And then you have your news feed for people that you follow. You can keep up with, you know, new items. Now here's my profile. You know, it gives them a brief little bio, followers following, and you know, the different items that I'm selling. So you can follow different people and see, you know, what items they're posting. You can, you know, favorite them, add them to your wish list. And ooh, these, I've actually been eyeing these for a minute. So I'm gonna add them to my favorites. And so when you add it to your favorite, you automatically get alerts for like when the price, or no, I should say notifications for when the price is reduced. And then I'm also gonna add it to my wish list as well, which is gonna give you price reductions as well. And so because I really like these boots, I'm also gonna create an alert. So creating an alert is just gonna notify you if anything similar comes onto the app. So once you create an alert, you're able to like change the model, change your shoe size, your color, material, etc., etc. But I'm just gonna keep it very basic because I'm just looking for a women's Saint Laurent boot. Boots are amazing, so we're gonna save that alert. You can also customize your alert settings. I just want it to be sent via mobile notification, so I'm going to save my alerts, and that's it. That's how you add things to your wish list and also add things to favorites. Now when you want to see different items that you collected over in your favorites or wish list, so here's your wish list, you can keep up with the different prices and stuff. Then you can also go to your favorites as well. So yeah, that's the app. Now I'm gonna show you guys the items that I'm actually going to be selling. And you know what's crazy, because majority of these items I purchased secondhand, so that cycle is continuing of sustainability. So first up, we have these Chanel slides. I picked these up like a year ago, never wore them. They're originally from Bloomingdale's. Look at this, so crispy, okay? Your girl never wore these. A shame. Really cute. I'm just thinking about all the money I've wasted. So next up is a pair of Stella McCartney. This is in a zebra print, suede type material here. It was one of those impulse buys. They were on sale, and I was just like, you know what, that would be cute to do like some print blocking in. No. These and the Chanel shoes are the only shoes that I bought brand new. I've never worn these like at all. What was I thinking? Yeah, and I'm a size 40 in the Stella McCartney's, and a 40 in the Chanels as well. Now moving on to two pairs of boots that I actually picked up pre-owned. First up, we have these Celine wedge boots with the zipper. You guys actually seen me haul these on here, and it's been about 2 years. You think I've worn them? Nope. Haven't worn them at all. They also are, you know, a little too small. These are a 9.5. If they were a 10, they probably would be better. Like, I'm learning to just stop buying things that don't, you know, fit right, don't feel right, that aren't comfortable. All right, so lastly for shoes, we have these Raf Simons Calvin Klein boots, suede material with the silver cap. These are like so cute and chic. Have a very nice modest heel. Once again, these just don't fit me right, and I never worn them. They're pre-owned. That owner probably never worn them either, because look at the bottom, like squeaky clean. And these are an Italian size 39. So yeah, that's it for shoes. Let's move on to some accessories. Next up, we have these vintage Saint Laurent ceramic earrings. They're so cute. They're just, you know, so vacation-y. Now let's get into some eyewear. I'm a sunglass fanatic. I'm addicted to them. I have more sunglasses than I could ever possibly wear. And that's what brings us to this unfortunate situation to where I have to sell them. So first up, we just have a just plain pair of Fendi black frame sunglasses. I've had these for probably 10 years. Ask me, have I worn them? The answer is no. I haven't. When I got these, my hair was just going through different phases, and you know, certain sunglasses only look good with certain hairstyles. So this was probably a straight when I was relaxed Kia, and now I'm natural Kia, so she's not really giving me what I need, so I have to move on. Next up, we have a pair of Gucci frames that I actually picked up in Italy. What was this, 2018? I've tried to wear them a few times, but I don't know. They're cute, but I just feel like, I don't know, I haven't worn them. It's been like 2 years and I haven't worn them. So yeah, they're cute. Yeah, I wanna wear them, but girl, you haven't. So she has to go. We gotta make room for things that I'm actually going to wear. So these are so cute and so my style. Next up, we have a pair of Balenciaga sunglasses. Okay, Cyclops. Like, this is definitely giving Cyclops. Like, it's definitely giving, ma'am. Do you know why I pulled you over today? Lastly are two pairs of sunglasses that I actually picked up pre-owned. So yeah, here they are. They're by Celine, a pink and a blue pair. I just love colored sunglasses. So these are really cute, but I already have like a pair of blue sunglasses that I wear and I love already. And so you gotta go. And here are the pink ones. These ones are actually too loose for my face. So these, unless you have a big head, you might have to get these readjusted. And there's a machine that can tighten the sunglasses for you if you go to any place that sells sunglasses. And next up is this APC pouch. You know, pouches were in for a minute, you know. They were in for a minute. And this color is just everything. Everything, girl. Yellow is just so magical. It makes me so happy. But you gotta go, girl. We're gonna put you in a nice new home. Somebody's gonna love you more than the love that I could ever give you. All right, and lastly, we have this Miu Miu skirt, which is also pre-loved. So cute. Isn't she cute? Isn't she cute? So yeah, that's everything that I'm selling. Now it's time for me to walk you guys through the selling process. And it's honestly so straightforward, so user-friendly, gives you the instructions, and you know, it just takes, because writing copy, you know, salute to the girls who do it and do it well, but writing copy for an item is probably what deters me from selling my items online. But Vestyear makes it very seamless as far as what information to give. So this is typically the area where I do my shooting. Now, what I love about Vestyear is you don't have to be a product photographer, because they crop every single image to have a white background, which is very cohesive and easy to look at. I like that, okay? And so, yeah, I'm just gonna share with you guys, let me get my phone. I'm going to share with you guys how I shoot the stuff and how I list the different things as well. So, all right, so let's open up the app. and then you're gonna hit the sell. You're gonna sell an item. So I think we're gonna do the Raf Simons Calvin Klein boots. So we're gonna women, shoes, these are boots. Calvin Klein, what's that collection? Calvin Klein, is it the W39? Yeah, that collection. Next. Okay, so then they walk you through each individual step, and you can't submit until you answer every single thing. So I love that as well, to make sure your listing is as accurate as possible. Here for it. So we're gonna go to information. And so let's do a subcategory. We'll say, no, we don't need others. This is just like a regular booty. So for material that it has the most of. So this is suede. Okay. And the color is black. Printed, plain, size. These are a Italian 39. Okay. So once confirm this step, moving on to photos. Just make sure like my butt is not in your face. Okay, so we're gonna get it. And I love that they give examples for how your photo should look. So here's an example for the side, just in case you guys you run into any errors, like you're unclear about how the photo should be taken. They have those examples there for you. So I'm gonna do the side photo. So confirm. Then you've got a 3/4 view photo example. So twist it just a smidge. Size indication photo. So for that one, you're gonna take a picture of the size. Top view photo. Let's see what that means. Okay, we could do that. Rear view photo. Soles, good example. And you got all the photos you want. You're gonna hit OK. All right, so now let's get into the description. These are Calvin Klein, Raf Simons booties, suede material, they never worn. Never worn. So then heel height is 3.25 inches. What other information do we need? We need suede material, silver toe. Silver toe, it has a zipper, inside zipper, side zipper, box / dust bag. I don't have a dust bag. Dust bag is not included. Okay, on to the next. So condition and price. So the condition, never worn with tags, never worn, very good condition, or fair condition. I would say the item is never worn, and if you ever have a question about the condition of the item, you can always check the criteria. So no defects, no alterations for an item that is never worn. So do that. And price. It's always so hard trying to price items. I think that's where most people fail, is because they don't put competitive pricing. They put with the price that they paid or what they think the price is, what they think the item is worth. I mean, it's too much guesswork. So once again, Vestyear comes through with the hints. So they let you know similar items that are on the app to the item that you're posting, so you can get an idea of what to charge. So so we see anywhere from $700 to $168. So I think I'm gonna just go with 400. Let's see. So for the price, I'll put 350. How about that? 350, and they let you know how much money you will receive after they take their cut. So, okay. So I'm confirming this step. And then if you want to add any additional information, you can do so as well. Just very, very thorough, and they just take the guesswork out of it. Like, you have what you need and you're good to go. So we're gonna confirm the step, and then we're going to confirm. Just make sure everything aligns. Yes. And at this point, your item is sent to Vestyear for them to go through their whole quality control process to make sure the item matches the description. They crop your pictures and all that good stuff. For me, my items have been being posted in under 24 hours, but it really varies. All right, so now onto the item that I will be reducing to just $30. They are these Fendi glasses. Get into it. Check it out, snatch it up before the girls come and get it, because they're definitely not gonna last long. And yeah, make sure you guys create alerts for all the items that I have and be on the lookout for further price reductions. So that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head to the description box to download the Vestyear Collective app, and the first 50 people to download the app using my code VCX NotoriousKIA50 will get $50 off their purchase of $150 or more. Ka-ching, okay? Be safe out there, guys. Love you, and I'll see you in my next video. So until next time, peace and dopeness.